Hi, I'm Karan,
I'm Abhishek. I'm Abhinav.
and we are Bookworms.
So, did you ever stress over finding a good book to read? Or have you ever been overwhelmed by the number of books you wanted to read? Well, worry no more. Bookworm is here to help. Now, Bookworm is an Alexa based skill which helps you in finding your next good book. It can recommend you books from the bestsellers of this week, or you can even search a book by a genre or by a author. So, what happens in the background of Bookworm? In the background, for each of your user requests, Bookworm searches thousands of books online in real time on Goodreads and New York Times bestseller list to bring you book which you will love reading. Now, how does Bookworm accomplish all this? Bookworm accomplishes the task of understanding your intention and promptly replying back using 5 different dialogue system modules. In the first module, the Alexa automatic speech recognition converts the user speech to text. Next, we take and map it to the possible intents and slots using our custom engine. Once we understand what you intend to say, we ask our Node.js server to search the Goodreads and the New York Times bestseller API for the recommendation based on your search criteria. Finally, we model our search results for the best user experience and forward the text to Alexa text to speech service. Now we'll take you directly to the demo so that you can see how it performs.
So now we will start with a short demo. First of all, Alexa provides three options for you whenever it starts. It provides an option to recommend a book, and it can search a book by author or by genre. So let's begin. Alexa, open Bookworm.
Hi there, I am Bookworm. I am here to recommend you a book, or I can search a book for you. So, what do you want me to do?
Recommend me a book.
How about The Rooster Bar by John Grisham? It is trending this week. I have info about its ratings, author or summary. You can also ask for another book. What would you like to do?
What is the rating of the book?
The book The Rooster Bar is rated 3.96. I can also tell you about its summary, author. Whenever you are satisfied, you can add the book to your reading list.
You can add that to my reading list.
I have added Rooster Bar to your reading list.
So now, as we have seen that Alexa is recommending us a book. So now we'll search a book. I want to search a book.
You can search book by author, search book by genre.
I would like to search book by author.
Sure. Can you please name the author?
Dan Brown.
I found the book Dan Brown box set, Digital Fortress, Deception Point, Angels and Demons, The Da Vinci Code by Dan Brown. I have info about its ratings, author or summary. You can also ask for another book. What would you like to do?
I'm done.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
So, we took an incremental approach towards testing. From the initial stages of development, we put our system to test with other users to get a hint of how our system was performing. We also collected pre-survey and post-survey feedbacks from the users during the round-robin evaluation to analyze the general sentiment towards the system. We also collected system logs to record failures occurred. So let's see the results of our analysis. We transcribed the recordings of user interaction and evaluated it using the Paradise evaluation model. We created a confusion matrix of all the intents that our system supported. Here the vertical axis is the intents that user wanted to ask our skill, and the horizontal axis is the intents that our ASR recognized from that speech. We found out that the most common recognition error that our system performed was the triggering of the search using genre intent when the user asked something else. The overall accuracy was observed to be around 77.39%. We asked the users to fill a post survey with around 11 questions based on Likert scale. We found that the average user satisfaction was 3.79, meaning that the users were generally satisfied with the system. The users also gave a score of 4.29 to the question that the system was easy to understand. We also implemented measures to analyze task success and the quality of the system. To measure quality, we calculated the number of repair utterances a user had to say per dialogue. We found out that out of all the utterances, the number of repair utterances was just 29%. To measure the task success, We calculated kappa coefficient on the overall dialogues, which came out to be 0.74. This means that there was substantial agreement between what the users said to the system and what our ASR system recognized from that. Thanks.